9. Okay, again, what is the first planet?
10 planet.
It's 9 planet.
And 9 planet.
Yeah, yes. What is the first planet from the sun?
The sun.
Yes. The next one is
Mercury.
Mercury.
Mercury sun.
Okay. The next?
Mercury sun.
Yes. The second planet is Venus. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The third planet is, you arrange that. You arrange.
Earth.
Earth. Mars is the fourth planet. Jupiter is the fifth. Saturn is the sixth. How about the seventh planet? Na malibog dud. Oh. The next one is, oops, you put it wrong.
Jupiter.
Jupiter. The next one is
Saturn.
Saturn.